tired of talking about rain, aren't you?
I know.
The only thing that's exciting about the rain is the U.S. Drought Monitor gets released in about 10-20 minutes from now, so that's always something I geek out about. So of course we'll have that later on in the show, but yeah, we're dealing with more rain today. Wish we could have held it off, but yeah, yesterday and today are the only rainy days. We actually dry out tomorrow. That storm system, the center of it, is going to be passing by to the north of us today. You can see some thunderstorm activity associated with it as well. In fact, we've seen thunderstorms here. In fact, right outside of our studio, we saw some lightning. So we're actually getting a break for a lot of the county. There are parts of Santee and Hamul that are getting dumped on right now, as well as in El Cajon. So if you're traveling along the 8, and all of that rain just traveled from the Mission Valley, Hillcrest, and downtown area. So the roadways are slick this morning. Definitely leave time for travel. I know we've been saying that so often this season, but it's true. There's just always more accidents on the roadways when we have all of that rain. Snow in the mountain areas. We have that winter weather advisory until 4 o'clock. I'll tell you right now, it is snowing in Julian. It doesn't look like it's accumulating too much, but it is dumping at the Laguna Mountain Lodge right now. It is coming down, and we've seen the snow accumulating on the rooftop there. And as Vanessa said earlier, when the sun comes up, of course, it looks a lot more gorgeous. So we'll show you that winter wonderland in the Mount Laguna area, where it's 26 degrees right now. Meanwhile, here downtown, it feels cold enough, and it's 51. Also pretty gusty, especially when that rain rolls in. Ramona seeing gusts up to 31 miles per hour, 25 in Julian. For the coast and the valleys, we could see occasional gusts up to 20, maybe 30 miles per hour today. Mountain and desert areas, we're still looking at gusts anywhere from 40 to 50 miles per hour. So the worst of the rain, and again, it is going to be more on and off in nature, not as steady or as widespread as what we saw with the last 3 storms this month. But heavy rain is going to be possible at times. That continues through the morning into the early afternoon. After about 2 to 3 o'clock, the chance for showers will diminish. And while I can't rule out a stray shower during the game today, it's not likely. And even if it does rain, it's not going to be enough to delay the game even more. So possible thunderstorms today, be aware of that. Those gusty winds, we have seen some storm damage due to those winds that have just kind of picked up. Snow levels are down to around 4,000 feet right now. They'll be between 4,000 to 4,500 feet today, with snow of about 2 inches up to a foot of snow. And temperatures today are cold, 10 to 25 degrees below normal. That means 50s for highs for the coastal communities. We do rebound back to the low 60s tomorrow, mid 60s this weekend before our next chance for rain arrives on Monday. A slight chance for a few light showers on Monday. Inland neighborhoods also in the 50s today, 60s tomorrow, closer to 70 degrees by Saturday, and then cold again early next week. We are going to be drying out in the mountains with a quick warm up, about 20 degrees warmer this weekend in the mid 50s, and we could see some more mountain snow on Monday with another cold system coming in. Not expecting rain on Monday in the deserts, but it will be windy and a lot colder in the 60s, but we get to enjoy the 80s this weekend in the desert. So yeah, unfortunate that the rain had to come in today. We also see those thunderstorms, the wind, the snow, all of it, but that's just what the season's been all about.